To make it, you'll need a sheet of paper. Use A4 size sheet and then fold it like this. After that, you'll need to cut the remaining part at the bottom. It will form a square shape like this. So do the same thing to 6 sheets of papers. So you basically want 6 squares made from A4 size sheet. After that, take the square and fold it as shown over here. So it will form a triangle like this. What you have to do is keep the open side downwards and the closed side upwards. Like this. As you can see, the open part should be towards you and the closed one should be in the opposite direction. So it's around 15 centimeter in measurement. Now we'll take the ruler and measure 3 centimeter. Mark it and draw a line as you can see I'm doing over here. In the same manner do it. We total need 3 lines. So you can see it how to do that. So the measurement between all the lines should be 3 centimeter and you have to make 3 lines in the same manner. So it should look something like this. After that, mark 1 centimeter from the top. As you can see, I'm marking. So do the same thing with all the 3 lines. Now we have to cut the lines. Remember to cut only till the point where we have marked it. So as you can see, I only cutted it till the point, and we'll do the same thing with all the 3 lines. So now it should look something like this. After that, open it. It should form a diamond shape like this. Now take the center part, as you can see from here, and apply glue on it. After that, stick the second side. So both the sides should be sticked together very properly like this. Now flip it over and we'll do the same thing with the next layer, which is that we have to take the sides and glue them together. So we'll apply glue and stick the other side as well. It will look something like this. After that, we'll again flip it once again and then take the third side, the third layer, apply glue and stick the opposite side as well. Hopefully you are understanding what I'm trying to say. Like this. Now we'll once again flip it and stick the fourth layer, which is the last layer. So apply the glue and stick the opposite side, and the final results will look something like this, as you can see. So now turn it over like this. So this is our one petal. So we'll do the same thing with all the squares which we have. So I've done it, and now we'll arrange 3 of them together and staple it from the middle. Then we'll take rest of the 3 petals which are left and again staple them from the middle. Now turn it over like this. After that, staple it from the middle. So as you can see, I have stapled it using the stapler, and now we'll staple all the petals as you can see over here together. One by one, I have done it with each and every petal. They are properly stapled now. Now you can have a look from where all to staple your flower. So you can see the stapler pins, and from all these places we have to staple it. So basically from the middle and all the sides. So now our pretty DIY is ready, and you can see how pretty it looks. You can hang it on the wall using double-sided tape, and I made one more of it. You can check that out. So that looks something like this. So hopefully you like this video, and please subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye. Meet you in my next video.